do it. Let's do it.
Well, the day before yesterday started out like any other. I took a stroll in the park, that's when I had it.
Hi everyone, my name's Charlie. Forgot.
Now I can't stop thinking about the...
Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Up with Kids. My name's Charlie and this is the final episode of the season. And today we're making Simply Chicken Goujons.
And just like that, I took a look on my nightstand to see what time it was. A flashing light on the buzz from my phone. And she said,
So to make these, we are going to need Rice Krispies. And we'll need some Simply Chicken burgers. And as well, we'll need eggs, butter, and salt.
"Come meet me on
Let's start by taking the Simply Chicken burgers and mashing them all together. Now take your eggs and crack them, keeping the yolk separate from the white.
the baby. Things are getting
Now we need to mash up the Rice Krispies.
yeah.
Pull the meat apart and make the chicken goujon shape you want. Then we dip the chicken in the egg and cover it with the Rice Krispies.
Straight out of the blue, she
Then we pop them into the oven for 20 minutes, turning them half away.
She has a ring
Thanks for
on
watching
cute
Cook
smile.
Up with Kids.
And I scratched my head and stared her dead in the eye while I said, Dave,